Components are the foundation of modular development. They allow us to separate our code into easy-to-manage chunks based on features and uses. Components descend from other components in a tree-like manner. This app component represents the root component in our tree structure, so that all future components will become a descendant. For example, we could have a navigation component, a sidebar component, and a post component. Then inside any one of these, we can nest other feature-related components. In this example, we could nest sidebar-related component features to create widgets and a calendar. Then if we wanted to, we could easily reuse our widgets and calendar component in other views. And this is what our folder structure would look like for this contrived app, with the widgets and calendar folders located inside of the sidebar folder. The beauty of this modular development style is that each one of these components represent features that we can easily isolate, test, and reuse. This creates dry components in which we're not repeating our code. Additionally, we don't have to worry about any side effects occurring in other parts of our application since our code is contained in its own isolated module.